Dear students, Namaste. Let us discuss the today's new online practical oriented topic for diploma second year students under the subject pharmacology and toxicology. Let us discuss the experiment number 21. What is the title? To observe and study the effect of pyrogens in rabbits, especially test for the pyrogens, that is Indian pharmacopoeia, by using CD of MS Paint. So as we are already discussed the different experiments, and according to that we will, in your mind there are the three important questions will arise that will help to complete the experiment and to understand the experiment. So to observe the study the effect of pyrogens on rabbits means what? Which activity will perform and what are the animals we are using and which part of the animal. So according to that, here we are using the rabbit is animal and we are testing the pyrogens. So what is pyrogen first? Pyrogens are the products of metabolism of microorganisms and that lead to important to control or increase the body metabolic reactions. So chemically pyrogens are the lipid substances associated with the carrier molecules and which is usually as a polysaccharides but may be as a peptides. So it is the metabolic of the microorganism. So whenever the increase the body temperature and or will be chills, it occurs due to this pyrogen. Means pyrogen is responsible for the body temperature or rising body temperature, some vasoconstrictions, rising blood pressure, chills, body itches, etc. So what is pyrexia? Pyrexia is word derived from the pyrogen. Pyrexia indicates the increasing the body temperature than normal is called. So what is the causes of the pyrexia? The normal body temperature which controlled by the hypothalamus and which are responsible for the increase the body temperature or control the body temperature. If there is a decrease or increase in the heat loss and heat production, it may be chances of increase the body temperature. And that's why there is a disturbance of the hypothalamic activity containing thermostat that leads to increase the production of prostaglandins, which is one of the mediators that leads to injury or maybe pyrogens or maybe the increases the body temperature. So that purpose we are using different drugs known as analgesics and antipyrotics. The drugs which reduce or relieve the pain associated with the inflammation is called as analgesic drugs. These are the examples aspirin and ibuprofen. Whereas the second definition or second important drugs, the drugs which lower the elevated body temperature are called as antipyrotics. The examples is paracetamol. Now what is sham test? It's already discussed you in the hospital and clinical pharmacy. Here we are trained the animal for the main test and we are using the different animals, that is the healthy rabbits, and we are injecting the dose intravenously 10 ml per kg as per the body weight. The dose means the free saline solution. And we are housed these animals in the specific rabbit holder or rabbit cage, and then we will check the differences between them. So now next and last part, how to prepare the sample. The sample preparation is very simple. We are just use the pyrogen free saline solution, and that is warmed at 38 degrees Celsius before injection to the rabbits. And the volume which are injected to the rabbits is not less than 0.5 ml per kg and not more than 10 ml per kg. So this is the main rabbit test. Here we are performing the exact tests. So what we are saying here, let us discuss the CD of the MHBT, then we will got the answers. So this is the aim of the experiment number 21. These are the different objectives for the experiment number 21. Student or learner will be achieved these all objectives after completion of the chapter. In what are the requirements? We are using healthy rabbits, and these are the some requirements. We are using like glassware, some dilute solutions, rabbit holder, room temperature, and one of the instrument also we use. Here, theory behind the experiment, which I already discussed in manual. So now let us discuss directly which instrument are used for the recording of the body temperature of rabbit. So during measurement or record the temperature of the test animals, the accuracy is very important. So that accuracy is counted. There is one device known as the clinical thermometer and telethermometer, that showing or that giving the assurity of the 0.1 degrees Celsius. So here we are using this very important instrument, that is the 6 probe digital telethermometer, that showing the digital readings after inserted the rectum of test rabbit up to the 5 सेंटीमीटर. म्हणजेच हे ॲपरेटस किंवा हे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स आपण टेम्परेचर रेकॉर्ड करण्यासाठी यूज करतो, आणि त्याच्या ज्या सेन्सिंग प्रोब्स डिव्हाइसेस असतात त्या रॅबिटच्या 5 सेंटीमीटर पर्यंत इन्सर्ट केल्या जातात आणि त्यानंतर आपल्याला रीडिंग्स मिळत असतात. सो दिस इज द प्रोसिजर. हिअर वी आर युजिंग सम रॅबिट्स. स्पेशली वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट ट्री, म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा 3 ॲनिमल्स घ्यायचे आहेत आणि त्या 3 ॲनिमल्स मध्ये तुम्ही टेस्ट करणार आहात. त्यामध्ये त्या 3 ॲनिमल्सची टेम्परेचरची बेरीज जी आहे, टोटल जी आहे, सम जी आहे ती 1.4 डिग्री सेल्सिअस पेक्षा जास्त येत असेल तर तुम्हाला पुन्हा ती टेस्ट रिपीट करायची आहे अनदर 5 ॲनिमल्स. सो ही प्रोसिजर आहे. आफ्टर दॅट वी आर युजिंग सम observation table for the completion and conclude of this test or of pyrogen activity. So what this observation saying is here. So as per this observation table and procedure, we are using 3 rabbits, and every 30 minutes we are checking the rabbit temperatures. But during the induction or during the injection of the drug, we just check the initial body temperature first, and then after injection, that is the 30 minutes time interval. So how to calculate this difference? This difference is calculate the highest temperature during the initial body temperature, and after injection, that is the highest temperature of the after injection. So we will minimize or we will revise all this by reducing this value by subtracting. So what is the value? According to formula, ह्या टेबलमध्ये जी हायेस्ट व्हॅल्यू आहे ती आपण घेतलेली आहे आणि त्याच्यामधून इनिशियल बॉडी टेम्परेचर आपण मायनस करतो. म्हणजेच 38.4 इज द हायेस्ट टेम्परेचर आफ्टर इंजेक्शन अँड ते टेम्परेचर आपण मायनस करतोय बाय इनिशियल बॉडी टेम्परेचर दॅट इज 38.2 degrees. Similarly for animal number 2, similarly for animal number 3. हा इंडिव्हिज्युअल डिफरन्स आहे ॲनिमल्सचा. 0.2 फॉर रॅबिट नंबर 1, 0.3 फॉर रॅबिट नंबर 2 अँड 0.2 फॉर रॅबिट नंबर 3. आणि मग ह्या तिन्ही डिफरन्सेस जे आलेले आहेत त्याची टोटल करतोय आणि ती जी टोटल आहे ती 0.7 डिग्री सेल्सिअस आलेली आहे. So according to that, we will conclude the today's experiment. बघूयात conclusion कसं लिहायचं आहे. So as per the limits of Indian Pharmacopoeia, how to conclude the pyrogen test is passed or failed? So it depends on the differences. म्हणजेच त्यांनी एक क्रायटेरिया दिलेला आहे. त्या क्रायटेरियामध्ये असं आहे सिंगल ॲनिमल्सचं जे बॉडी टेम्परेचरची जी डिफरन्सेस आहे तो 0.6 डिग्री सेल्सिअस पेक्षा जास्त नसायला पाहिजे. दुसरा पॉइंट त्याने असं म्हटलेलं आहे ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही तिन्ही ॲनिमलच्या सम करताय ती ही सम सुद्धा 1.4 डिग्री सेल्सिअस पेक्षा जास्त नसायला पाहिजे. आणि जर तसं दिसत असेल टेम्परेचर जास्त येत असेल तर पुन्हा तुम्ही 3 प्लस एक्स्ट्रा 5 असे टोटल 8 ॲनिमल्स वरती तुम्ही पुन्हा सेम प्रोसिजर करा आणि त्या 8 ॲनिमलचा जो डिफरन्स आहे तो 3.7 डिग्री सेल्सिअस पेक्षा जास्त नसायला. हा आहे क्रायटेरिया. हा लिहून ठेवा कुठेतरी, खूप महत्वाचं. इंडिव्हिज्युअल ॲनिमलसाठी आहे 0.8, नॉट 8, 0.6. त्यानंतर 3 ॲनिमलसाठी आहे 1.4 आणि 8 ॲनिमलसाठी आहे 3.7. सो व्हॉट इज द कन्क्लुजन ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट? दिस इज द कन्क्लुजन ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो आपला जो डिफरन्स आलेला आहे तो 0.7 डिग्री सेल्सिअस आहे इंडिव्हिज्युअल ॲनिमल्स मधला जो सम डिफरन्स आपण काढलेला आहे. आणि त्यानंतर इंडिव्हिज्युअल डिफरन्सेस प्रत्येक ॲनिमल्सचा आपण इथे मेन्शन केलेला आहे. आणि लास्ट वन इज द whether that is the test is pyrogenic or apyrogenic. Yes, the sample is apyrogenic and it passes the test for the pyrogenic. So you should write this conclusion in your manual. Thank you so much for the patience listening. If you have any doubt, you message me on description box. Thank you.